on his way to a battle, saw a vision of the cross and the words, "With this sign you shall conquer." After conquering his enemies, he converted to Christianity and made it the official religion of the Roman Empire. But how did this interesting piece of legend or history become a Filipino cultural treasure? The Spaniards brought that piece of the story to the Philippines and named it Santa Cruzan. It was organized by missionaries to serve as a simple form of catechist for the common folks. It differs from other religious pageantries in that it does not parade the usual images of saints. Instead, town belles, who are beautifully dressed, process carrying the symbol of the biblical or historical characters they represent. The procession ends with a statue of our Blessed Mother, Mother of God and Mother of all. Today, we are celebrating the power and the beauty of the Santa Cruzan. It is with great pride and joy that I, as the Reina Elena of 2013, together with the Filipino ministry in the Archdiocese of Los Angeles, welcome you to our 2014 Santa Cruzan.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is April May Sambelli, and I was last year's Reina Imperatriz. Presenting the Santa Cruzan Sigawas of 2014, representing the Philippine Islands, Reina Bandarada I. From Mother of Good Counsel Parish in Los Angeles, Maya Lai. Carrying the flag of the Philippines, representing the Philippines composed of 7,107 islands, with 87.8 million populations, speaking 87 languages and dialects, the only Catholic country in Asia, the Pearl of the Orient.
Reina Mora, from 2000 Hail Marys Group in St. Finbar Parish in Burbank, Rowena Lynn, representing our Muslim brothers and sisters who live in the southernmost regions of the Philippines, the island of Mindanao and the Muslim religion, the dominant religion in the Philippines before the coming of Christianity.
Reina Bandarada II, from Legion of Mary, Rosary Groups of Jesus and Mary, in St. John Baptist de la Salle Parish in Granada Hills, Jelcaros, Caraan, Quionson, carrying the flag to represent the coming of Christianity to the Philippines in 1521, when Ferdinand Magellan landed on the shores of Cebu and planted the cross as a sign of conquest and conversion of the people to Christianity.
Representing the three theological virtues, Reina Fe, from St. Filomeno Parish in Carson, Christine Santiago. Reina Fe symbolizes the theological virtue of faith and the dominant role of the Catholic faith in the lives of Filipinos. It is symbolized by a cross.
Reina Esperanza, from the 2000 Hail Marys Group and Holy Family Parish in Artesia, Mary Cherise Lola. Reina Esperanza symbolizes the theological virtue of hope and the Filipinos' quest for happiness in the present life and belief in eternal salvation. Symbolized by an anchor, hope is the anchor of the soul, steadfast and sure.
Reina Caridad, from the 2000 Hail Marys Group and St. Peter Channel Parish in Hawaiian Gardens, Divina Alepio. Reina Caridad symbolizes the theological virtue of charity and Filipino virtue of generosity and welcoming spirit. Symbolized by a red heart, charity is, by the Holy Spirit, which makes hope endure. The three theological virtues. With these three, man can do God's work for mankind. As Christians, by our example of faith, hope, and love, we can challenge the world to take Christ and his teachings seriously.
Reina Abogada, from the 2000 Hail Marys Group and Our Lady of Perpetual Help Parish in Santa Clarita, Janelle Forbes. Reina Abogada represents the defender of the poor and the oppressed.
Reina Justicia, from the 2000 Hail Marys Group and St. Genevieve Parish in Panorama City, Patricia Ann Sabio. Reina Justicia is the personification of the mirror of justice.
Representing the great women of the Old or Hebrew Testament, Sarah, from Our Lady of Peace Parish in North Hills. Krista May Baalisco, the wife of Abraham, who was first called Sari. God's plan specified Sarah as the mother of the promised son in spite of her infertility and old age. Sarah and Abraham's son Isaac was the chosen one with whom God established an everlasting covenant.
Miriam, from Our Lady of the Valley Parish in Canoga Park. And Cecilia Loveland. Miriam was the older sister of Moses and Aaron. It was Miriam who waited near the river